What's up guys, Matthew Bicella here. We are in Frisco, Texas in a very nice neighborhood. We got lots of lovely homes in the area. One of the things I wanted to point out to you guys is we're actually working with insurance right now to get this roof approved. One of the reasons why this roof needs to be replaced is, as you can see, there's W valleys along the entire roof here, and those are covered in hail damage. Now in order to replace those things, we're gonna actually have to remove about 3 feet on either side of that valley so that we can get to removing that valley metal there. And also all of these ventilations are copper, so these are covered in hail damage as well. And in order to get those replaced, we actually have to remove all the surrounding several feet of the slate around those areas as well. So insurance isn't gonna really inform you on some of these things, and our job is to actually walk through the process and to point a lot of these things out, because we wanna ensure that every homeowner that we're working with is getting well taken care of. So if you guys have specialty roofing needs like this in the area and you're not really sure what direction to take, call Results Roofing, call myself. My name's Matthew Bicella. My number is 830-613-9815. We're here to take care of you and always do the right work.